Today, I hired a pro to teach me how to play Gorilla Tag better.
Let's go, that's me.
Yep, let's go.
Okay, what should we do first?
Probably doing wall climbing.
Wall climbing, alright. Alright, for wall climbing, wait, you have a lot of time to get up the wall. So
Just
just
like this. I keep
Here,
falling off.
Face the wall you're going to, and then do it. Like that.
I think I got it.
And then we can practice wall running too. It's like the same thing. Basically, like, you just go parallel to the wall. So like, up.
So like, where do you have to like put your...
You just put it like next to the wall. Oh, branching? For branching, I'd give you a tip. For branching, all you want to do is just look at the tree you're trying to... Just look at the next branch you're going to and know where it is. And then... Oh, elevator.
Okay, I'm starting to get a little better.
Elevator, because my controllers are a bit weird right now. But what you do is massive circles, and then as you do that, like that,